Today we are going to talk about triangle. Okay, we have first question. What is triangle? And how can we define a triangle? A shape with 3 sides or something with 3 angles? In geometry, a triangle is a closed 2-dimension shape with 3 straight sides, and a triangle is also a polygon. Look at here. 1, 2, 3. 3 angles. And 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. And we can know it is a triangle. Here are 2 rules that can apply to all triangles. First, the internal angles are always add up to 180 degrees. You may wondering, what is internal angle? We can look here, here, and here. These angles are internal angles, and their sum is always 180 degrees. Second, the area of a triangle is always 1/2 times base times height. If the length of base side is 5 cm and the length of height side is 8 cm, and its area will be 20 cm square. Now, we have a little quiz. If we have a triangle and its area is 40 cm square and the length of its height is 5 cm, how about the base? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, the answer is 16 cm. Then I will introduce some types of triangle. First is equilateral triangle. Its 3 angles is the same, and its length of sides is also the same. The second one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides and 1 different side, and 2 equal angles. And third one is scalene triangle. It has unequal lengths and angles. Fourth is right angle triangle. You may think, what is right angle? Right angle is an angle of 90 degrees, and one triangle has only one right angle. Because according to the first triangle rule, the sum of internal angle is 100 degrees. And also the triangle must have 3 angles. So if we have 2 right angles, the last angle will be 0 degrees. So that's not a triangle, because it only has 2 angles. Last but not the least, we'll get into the most difficult part in triangle. I'll talk about Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is that if a triangle has a right angle, and the square of the longest one, which is called hypotenuse, will equal the sum of the square of other 2 angles. Look at this. We have A, B, C, 3 sides like here. So we'll get the equation a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we have a question, which we can try to use Pythagoras theorem to solve it. If a equals 3 and b equals 4, what would c will be? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct, it's 5. Now we can extend to triangular formula. Don't be scared, relax. And if we have a triangle and its 3 sides we define is A, B, C, and its angle we call it phi. And use Pythagoras theorem, we can get a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we can we try to make them all divided by c squared, and we'll get this equation. And you will find the x squared over c squared is sine squared phi, and the b squared over c squared is cosine squared phi, and the c squared over c squared is 1. So you can find this in your senior high school. And if we also try to divide it by x squared or b squared, you can find the other classic equation you have seen in senior high school. Thank you for listening.